He's heading towards the heat. We've got lots of heat here.
We sure do. And, you know, this is a good afternoon that if you have older neighbors or you know of someone that is in poor health, good afternoon to check in on them, okay?
Absolutely.
Because we are on track for the hottest afternoon of the week. And we've been talking about this since wake up this morning. I thought today would probably be that day. And sure enough, we just hit 90 degrees at the Buffalo Airport. Down by the beautiful shores of Chautauqua Lake, the David Phelps webcam down there, we have some puffy cumulus clouds starting to pop up. In fact, as we take a peek at the satellite picture at noontime, you can see some of those clouds starting to materialize now across the southern tier into northern PA. Just a few of these cumulus clouds. It's possible that a few of these may grow to the point this afternoon that they may shake loose an isolated thunder shower, but for the most part, most of us should be rain-free as we work through the afternoon. Let's check it out on the Super Microcast, and the computer is trying to generate a little bit of isolated shower, thunder shower activity across the area this afternoon, so I'm not going to rule this out by any means. For the most part, though, we should be dealing with rain-free conditions. It definitely is going to be very hot and very humid. In fact, the temperatures are up a little bit. The humidity levels are kind of rangy across the area. The humidity in Buffalo per se has actually dropped a little bit at the airport, but as I'm going to show you here in a couple seconds, actually the humidity is quite high at Niagara Falls and also along the lakeshore down at Dunkirk. As we work our way toward nightfall, mostly clear skies initially, more clouds head our way, especially after midnight. And this rain out to the west, that's associated with a cold front, which is going to be clearing through the area tomorrow. I should probably call it a cool front because it's really not going to turn colder behind it. The temperatures will dip a little bit as we get into the weekend, and also the humidity will drop, so it's going to feel much more pleasant around here. In fact, that temperature drop may even begin already by later tomorrow afternoon. A few locally heavier downpours will accompany that front through the area tomorrow. Then the showers and storms start to taper off west to east tomorrow evening. There still could be an early rain shower well south and east of Buffalo on Saturday, but otherwise skies should become sunny and less humid. It's going to be a pretty nice weekend heading our way. In fact, even into Sunday, too. Great weekend for Taste of Buffalo. Checking out the forecast highs from the computer, about 93, 94 will do it, maybe in the north towns this afternoon, Amherst and Clarence, 91 at Batavia. Even at the airport, we may top about 93 or 94, 88 or 89 down here across the higher terrain at Wellsville and Olean, about 91 degrees at Jamestown, and the forecast high at Hamburg, about 92, and also up toward Orchard Park and West Seneca. The record to beat, by the way, in Buffalo today, 96. I don't think that's going to happen, but we may build a little bit higher from this 90-degree reading that we're looking at noontime already. 89 now from the Falls. Actually, Buffalo's the hot spot at noontime today, including Toronto up to the north there, 86 at Dunkirk. We have an 84 down at Jamestown and Bradford, 85 at Wellsville. The dew point, now when you get into the 60-degree range, it's humid. 65 or greater, very humid. 70 is oppressive. It's oppressive at Dunkirk right now, close to it at Niagara Falls. But the dew point temperature actually dropped slightly here at Buffalo. Taking that into account, and the heat index 94 right now from the Falls and the 91 by the lake at Dunkirk. Checking your forecast details for this afternoon. Sunset time at 8:55. For the afternoon, hazy sunshine, hot and humid. Slight chance of an isolated thunder shower toward evening. 88 to 94 degrees. 88 along the waterfront. Tonight, increasing clouds after midnight, warm, very muggy, patchy fog and haze. 64 in the valley, 72 in the city. Another uncomfortable night for sleeping. Check out the space station tonight. A couple passes here, 9:32 and 11:06. That last one a little bit better because it's higher in the sky, 60 degrees above the horizon, traveling west-northwest to southwest. Tomorrow, scattered showers and storms developing, especially during the midday and afternoon. Not as hot, still humid, 78 to 82. And we'll be looking at skies becoming sunny on Saturday with the highs around 80 degrees and mostly sunny finish to the weekend on Sunday and 82.
Excellent.